Hi everyone. Today we will look at seeds we are direct sowing in our garden here in Zone 6B, Kansas. We will keep today's video short and sweet. Please know, if you need an earlier harvest, you will have to start seeds indoor and transplant seedlings. We have already started that too, and putting a link on the screen for details of what we started earlier in February. So why bother with direct sow at all? We will talk about it during this video. We are going to direct sow our seeds in this raised bed. We already covered this bed with thick layer of compost in fall. When we started moving the leaf mulch, we found the top layer of compost was frozen. After digging on one soft spot that had a lot of leaf on it, we found that only top 1 inch was frozen, but under it the compost was very friable and moist. We did remove the leaf mulch to allow this bed to warm up. Once we are in spring, we will put the leaf mulch back on to conserve water. So instead of digging the whole bed, we dug 5 very thin trenches to put our seeds in. If you're finding any value in this video, please do boop the like button to help our channel grow. We are sowing mustard, bok choy, rocket salad, lettuce and corn salad here. Now the reason we are direct sowing as well as starting seed inside is that this is part of our succession planting plan. We expect earlier harvest from indoor started plants and follow-up harvest from these direct sowing. We will soon be posting a detailed video on our succession planting plan, so don't forget to subscribe. We are not covering these seeds because these are very small seeds. However, we are pressing them down to make sure they are in contact with compost. Once we are done, we covered this bed with a row cover to help provide warmth. Next, we planted a single row of radishes and beet in this raise that we had under row cover all winter. This is more of an experiment to see how it responds. Now we are going to plant lots of flower seeds under this bird bath. We are spreading some used compost from last year first, and then the seeds. We are broadcasting these seeds here. Whatever comes up is a bonus. We are sowing red poppy, delphinium, calendula, and sweet williams. All of these are capable of self-seeding or are perennial types. That is what our intent is for this small area. To be covered in flowers by self-sowing so that we don't have to do this every year. But it may take a few rounds to get it to perform that way. Please drop us a comment on what all you are starting in February and stay tuned for all the updates on these seeds. If you found value in this video, please do like it and subscribe to help our channel grow.
Thanks for watching.